ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நீங்கள் ஸ்கூல் ஆர் காலேஜ் படிக்கிறீங்களா? உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசும்போது உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் பேச தயக்கமாக இருக்கா? அப்போ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு தான். இந்த வீடியோவில் வர சின்ன சின்ன சென்டென்ஸை பேசி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்களும் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட தயங்காமல் இங்கிலீஷில் ஈஸியாக பேசலாம். இந்த சேனலுக்கு நீங்கள் புதுசுனா அந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். வெல்கம் டு மீவிங்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் கான்வர்சேஷன். டிட் யூ ஃபினிஷ் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க்? எஸ், ஐ கம்ப்ளீட்டட் லாஸ்ட் நைட். What is the first period today? Math class. Can I borrow your pen? Sure, here you go. When is the exam? It's on Monday. I forgot my notebook. You can share mine. Who is on duty today? It's our class. Let's revise before the test. Great idea. May I go to the washroom? Yes, but come back quickly. What's for lunch today? Aloo paratha and curd. Can we play after school? Yes, let's meet at the ground. Teacher is calling you. Oh, okay, I'm going. When is the science project due? Next Friday. Did you understand the lesson? Not really. Let's ask the teacher. Who is absent today? Ravi and Ananya. I got full marks. Wow, congratulations. Let's sit together in the class. Okay, I will save you a seat. Did you bring your ID card? Yes, it is in my bag. Where is the library? Next to the staff room. This subject is tough. Yeah, but we will manage. Let's go home together. Sure, let's go. Hey, which class do you have next? I have math. What about you? Where is the library? It's next to the science building. When is the assignment due? By Friday, I think. Can you help me with this problem? Sure, let me explain. Are you attending the seminar tomorrow? Yes, I am really interested in it. Did you finish the project? Almost done. How about you? What's the schedule for the exams? They start from next Monday. Can we form a study group? Great idea. Count me in. Where do we usually eat on campus? At the cafeteria. Their sandwiches are good. Is the Wi-Fi working here? Yes, just connect to the college network. Do you know the professor's office hours? Yes, on Tuesdays from 3 to 5 p.m. Are there any club you are part of? Yes, the drama club. You? How do you prepare for the exams? I review notes and do past papers. Is there a shuttle service on campus? Yes, it runs every 15 minutes. Can I borrow your note? Sure, I will send them to you. What's your major? Computer science. And you? Where is the best place to study quietly? The third floor of the library. Are there any upcoming events? Yes, there is a cultural fest next week. Do you need a partner for the project? Yes, that would be great. Good luck for the exam. Thanks. You too. What time does your first class start? 9 a.m. I almost missed it today. Did you finish your homework? Yes, but it took me all night. Let's sit together in the canteen? Sure, I need a break too. The lecture was really interesting today. Totally. The professor explained it so well. Are you ready for the test tomorrow? Kinda. Still revising the last two chapters. Let's work on the group project after the class. Good idea. We will divide the task. I am applying for the internship this semester. Nice. Let me know if you need help. College life is flying by. Yes, so many memories already. Thanks for watching.